ISBC Talent Show Competition interview. So for today's purpose, we're going to be interviewing a Sunday school teacher on how she gets ready for her class. Can you please introduce yourself and what you do?
My name is Miriam Hnem, and I teach primary class.
So how do you usually prepare for the class?
To prepare for my class, I start by going over the lesson book and the Bible so I can understand the best so that my kids can have the easier experience. And I also like to create some slides for my students. I make them look pleasing and so that they can enjoy and learn at the same time. I also like to add some videos that are related to our topic, and I also like to add some activities at the end, and they are also allowed to ask some questions so that we can have open opinion class.
Could you give us an example?
Of course. This is the lesson book that we use for my class. This is primary 3 class lesson book. In this book there are a lot of Bible story, and then it guides you on like what question to ask, how this relates to their everyday life, and then it also gives you some questions that you can ask for your students and to like have their own story that are related to the Bible stories. So it's like really easy for teachers to teach their students.
Can you show us an example of how you use the book for your slides?
Of course. So first thing first, I put the title and then I make them look pleasing so they look more enjoyable, and I will ask them like what they think the topic will be about, and then I like explain to them. Also, I like to ask them which Bible translation that they want to read, for example English or khawh, and then it will like majority, if the majority said they want to read in English, they will read in English, because sometimes they will bring like khawh and then they don't understand, so it's like the best to ask them which version is the best for them, and like if they want to read individually or like all together. And I also have like slides for some words that they might not understand for the Bible, because they are really hard words. I also have how we can apply our topic to our everyday life and how we can live up to it every day. And I also ask them some questions at the end, and they can also ask me some questions. I will try to make them memorize the story so they can understand even better. And I also make some activities at the end. For example, Palm Sunday, we made palm fans. I can also attach the video on how to like make palm fans, which will be more enjoyable for them to learn.
That's it for today's interview for the ISBC Talent Competition interview with Miriam. Thank you for coming on to this interview with me.
Thank you for having me. Thanks for watching.